Hi, I'm Chris Siegal, Vice President of Product Development for Satco Products. And today I am here with Doug Fromberg, who is the product manager for all things STARFISH, our Wi-Fi product line. And today we are going to talk about our Eave light system, which is our new permanent string lights that we've just recently launched.
We have a 50-foot kit and a 100-foot kit. They come with the Eave lights, 50 feet and 100 feet. They have the plug, a controller. Controller can be used with the STARFISH app or with the included remote control. And we also have installation accessories. They already come with 3M tape on the back, but we included a couple extra, and screws. Really, for the lights, there's a little hole. So if you want more of a permanent installation, that's how you would do that.
All right, so tell us some of the features that this product provides.
The best way to get the maximum features of this product is to connect it to the STARFISH app. In the STARFISH app, you can control all the lights at one time. You can make them all blue, all green. You can control them individually. And then there's tons of effects built in.
And the features that are on the app are more robust than the features that are on this remote control, or
Much more robust.
Okay.
Right, so the remote control, you could pick a couple of colors. You could change the color temperature. You could speed it up. You can go through the effects, but really getting into the details of the effects, really making your house stand out versus everybody else's house on the block, you're going to want to use the STARFISH app.
So you have a 50-foot kit and it comes with two 25-foot sections.
Yep.
Then the 100-foot kit comes with 4 sections.
Exactly.
So then you install them, you link them together, and then you have an extra set over here.
Then we have an additional 25-foot extension. It's just the extension, no controller, no plug. So you could take the 50-foot kit and make it 75 feet. You could take the 100-foot kit and make it 125 feet,
Okay.
all one continuous run.
And then if you're installing it and you have a section that you have extra line, you can't cut it
Nope.
and leave it outside, right?
You can't cut it, but there's things you can do. You can take the wire between and kind of crimp them together, use a nylon zip tie to
Right.
secure it. And then in the app, you can disable the lights that are extra. So if you come to the end of the line and you have 3 lights left, you could go in the app and reduce the number of lights by 3. So if you have the 36 lights on one run, you would just go in, knock it down to 33, and then those lights won't light up no matter what you do.
Okay, so then with your power supply, so now you've got a 120 volt power supply. You could do it from an outdoor outlet or indoor and then run this line to the Eave light.
Right. And I would recommend putting the controller indoors and using the extension cord as needed to get to the beginning of the Eave.
And you have to have access to this to be able to pair it.
Yes, you're just going to hold this button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You're going to wait till the lights start flashing red. Once they start flashing red, you can release. They're ready to be paired.
Well, thank you very much for the quick rundown of this exciting product line. For this product and all the other STARFISH Wi-Fi products, please visit us at satco.com to learn more.